Welcome back to Wheels by the Ocean reviewing another BLUETTI. This is the Elite 30 V2. Look, this is my original BLUETTI. As you guys have seen, on all my episodes, I've been using the crap out of that when we're camping with the caravan and stuff, which I'm in right now, which is a mess. Here is a little version of it. Look at that, mate. It stands 17 centimeters tallish, and it's about 25 centimeters wide, right? So anyway, this is a small version of this big dog. So BLUETTI asked me, hey Jordan, would you like to review another BLUETTI? And I said, well, I've already got a BLUETTI. And they said, yeah, but we'll review this one as well. Maybe I'm just going to become like a BLUETTI reviewer of the world. So I do car reviews, and now I do these electricity box reviews. This one over here is the Elite 100 V2. It's an 1800 watt dog, and like we run everything off that when we're camping. It's super, super handy. The Elite 30 is a 600 watt monkey. So this one here is good for charging all your stuff. So you fast charge your phone, you charge your laptop, you charge your speakers. I'm a mechanic for work. So all day I run a fridge in my van, and I utilize this. This will run my fridge pretty much all week. I turn it off at night. This will run my fridge for 2 days. It's one of the little King's portable fridges, you know the one. I've also been charging my power tools. So this one for your work van as well is very, very handy. In my opinion, you probably only need one BLUETTI, but like I said, they were sending me another one. I'm like, hell, I'll do a review and I'll talk about it, you know, like sweet as, let's do it. So being 600 watt, it does have the power lifting capability for a momentary 1500 watt before it like pop a fuse or pop its circuit breaker or whatever. So if you're turning on something that has a really like, I don't know, harsh takeoff, like a fan or a, I don't know what you'd run off 600 watt, but just something that takes off a little bit fast, like maybe a toaster or something that takes a lot of power to get going. This can go up to 1500 watts before it will pop itself, right? So 600 watt toaster. What else is 600 watts? Obviously for charge anything, like I said, this weighs nothing, right? I think in the other video, I pretended this weighed nothing, but that is actually heavy. I don't know if you see me straining it. This weighs nothing. It's nice and light. It lasts me all day. So I fast charge my phone. I keep the fridge running all day, and then I got 240, so I charge up my battery for my rattle gun. So it's an ideal companion for your work van. In the front here, you've also got a solar input, right? So you can have, if you've got a solar on top of your van or your car or whatever, just plug it in, and then you've got that. And this is portable, okay? So I understand the dual battery systems in your car, yeah, they're great, but this is portable. This is portable power that you throw a solar panel on these, and it can charge up during the day, so you can use it at night if you've got no power. It seems recently there's been a lot of storms this year, and we haven't had any power. So being able to have these options is freaking amazing, and a lot quieter than running a generator in the middle of the night, right? So it does run 140 watt fast charger out of the front there. Then we have a USB, another USB, and then 100 watt USB-C. So I'm not too sure why there's different power ratings for the USB-Cs, but there may be different things charged at different rates or whatever. You got one plug on the front there. Then you got the cigarette lighter. That's what I plug the fridge into all day. You do have these two little dingle dangles down here. I've never known what they're for. So you tell me in the comments what those little things are for, yeah? Can you see those down the bottom right there? Then you got your input there. And then on the side, this little thing, that's where you charge it through your house. So you got 240 volt charger on there, or you can charge it from the cigarette lighter of your car while you're driving, or a solar panel through the top there, mate. This thing will charge completely from 0 right up to 80 or 100 or whatever the hell it is in under an hour. So super cool. Same with that one as well. Does the same thing, man, in under an hour. Mate, I love these. And pretty much zero noise while you're using them. You get a little cooling fan noise, but it's like nothing. BLUETTI does have an app, which is super helpful. I have used it for this one here because it used to turn off after 4 hours or something, which wasn't good because I've been running fridges off it. I needed to run all day. So in the app, I was able to adjust those time limits. It also has, like, when you're charging it, it will notify you when it's finished charging, so you remember to go take it off charge. The battery in this has 3,000 life cycles. That's a lot of days of using my fridge, eh? Things I haven't thought about is like camping lights as well. Like you could plug in your whole camping light setup and run it off this, including your little fridge. It'll be ideal for things like camping lights, water pumps, like those little portable showers, stuff like that. Just stuff that uses low power, right? 600 watts and under. Or you live on a farm and you know you're going somewhere, you're going and building a fence, right? So you're building a fence around the farm, you're using electric tools, and you know that stuff's gonna run out of battery, right? So imagine you've got, I don't know, your spare battery or whatever is on charge over here, boom, charging up that. You know you're gonna get 4, 5, 7 million charges off that to charge up your power tools, so you keep doing your fence, you don't have to go back. Oh mate, isn't that great? For the farmers too, eh? How you going, farmers? When we were out of power for 4 or 5 days or whatever, I would have loved to have one of these BLUETTIs at the time, because all I wanted really, right, obviously charge my phone, that's cool, but I wanted my internet to work. So this thing will run these things will run internet modems perfectly. Mate, it's a good, affordable option to keep us like a backup if that's what you're thinking as well. This little thing will take 200 watts of solar power, mate. So that's it would like the big solar panel on your caravan charging this little donkey, mate. The case is strong too. This is super durable. And now I kind of know that because there's a big scrape on the side of this one where I accidentally dropped it out the side of my van a few weeks ago, but it didn't smash anything and it all still works. So they are very durable. Don't throw them out the side of your van. I just wanted to say it's good like that, right? So it's nice and strong. Very strong. And 5 years warranty. That's not like extended warranty. I got to pay extra for warranty. 5 years warranty. That's pretty good, mate. So this little one here came with the cigarette lighter charger, and it also came with the 240 volt house charger. It also came with a little grounding screw. You can see here that it can take a screw for grounding it. I don't know what that's for. Hey, in the comments, can somebody tell me why you need to ground that? Because I haven't done it with either of these, but is there a reason that you would want to ground these units? Tell me, please. Well, there you go. Let's give you a close-up tour of the unit, eh? Oh, see, down she goes. Ugh. Now, guys, I wasn't lying when I said I'm the new BLUETTI man, because I do have another BLUETTI to review as well, which I don't know. I guess send them to me, bro. Christmas is coming up. I'll start gifting them to my family, and then everyone gets BLUETTI in my whole family, eh? I'll tell you, I won't be running out of power camping. Power camping, power camping. There is the screen on the Elite 100. Here is the screen on the Elite 30. Now, this screen, I reckon this screen's a bit nicer, actually. You can see, they're both nice, but this one's got some, I don't know. It's cool. It's a good looking screen, so well done on that. Here's just like a little closer view for you guys to have a little spin around. Look, it's got that little thing. I really, really hope BLUETTI sort of incorporates a Bluetooth speaker into these at one stage, because that would be so freaking good. There's some specs and stuff on the back there. Coming around here, there's that little screw thingy I was talking about. There's the input for the 240 volt power, and then yeah, you see just a little bit of a close-up for you, mate. So you've got your DC input there and your cigarette lighter. See these two things. This is what I'm asking. What is that? And I've never seen that or needed that ever. Tell me. Is that laptop power things? Maybe. Anyway, there's the rest of it, right? Guys, yes, I have discount codes. You don't have to use them. You don't have to buy them. This is just a bit of advertising for BLUETTI. And at the same time, these guys are giving me a couple of these things. I have fallen in love with these because, as I said, I use them every day at work, and I use them every day when we were camping. You've seen the 4 episodes of us camping. I use that one every single day, man. I was using it for everything. So now I can't live without that. I need that now in my life. So like I said, discount code will be in the description. You don't have to use it, but it will help you, get you a bit of a discount. And yes, we will get a little bit of a kickback for anything you buy from the BLUETTI website. Lots of terms and conditions may apply. Everybody have a great day. Righto, I'm going straight inside to edit this and put this video straight out real time, because I want you to see it firsthand. It is now night time. It's night time to go inside, jump on the computer, put this video straight out for you guys to see. See ya later.